Welcome to Camclo 3D. Today, we're diving into one of our most practical and powerful features, Virtual Try-On. This lets you apply any garment onto any model in just a few clicks. In this video, we'll walk through 2 complete virtual try-ons so you can see how to get the best results and make the most out of Camclo 3D. First, head into the AI suite and click on Virtual Try-On. Next, let's upload our garment. I'll upload a women's dress as a one-piece, but you can also upload tops, bottoms, or full-body outfits. On the right side, we have our model library with 100+ ready-to-use presets. These are organized separately for tops, bottoms, full-body, and one-piece garments. Once you select a preset, you can preview the mask, which defines where the garment will be applied. If needed, you can quickly adjust it to match your garment perfectly. All right, everything's set. Garment selected, preset ready. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. Let's generate. And there we go. You get 4 variations in a single generation. You can now simply pick the one that works best for your brand or product listing. For the second try-on, I'll upload a different garment so you can see how flexible the system really is. Now let's try the same thing with a custom model. If the presets don't fit your needs, you can upload your own model image. For custom images, you'll just need to create a mask once. Once saved, this becomes your own custom preset, which you can reuse anytime from the model library. Everything's ready again! And I can't wait to see how this looks on a custom model. Let's generate! Beautiful! Clean edges, natural fit, and again, 4 variations to choose from. This is Virtual Try-On done right! And here's something special. For a limited time, our enterprise plan gives you unlimited virtual try-on generations, no credits required. That means you can freely create as many try-ons as you want and use your credits on higher impact features like image to video, avatar videos, smart edit, or catalog generation. This offer won't last long. Try Virtual Try-On today and see the difference for yourself. Start now with 10 free credits, and don't miss the limited time enterprise offer.